Hi everyone! 88% of the millionaires are self-made, and studies have shown that they just have better habits that generated their wealth. So, do you have these millionaire habits? Stay tuned to find out, because you too can have these millionaire habits that will separate you from the 99% of people in the world so that you can build your wealth to live a rich and abundant life. Alternatively, if you keep having poor money habits, then you'll likely struggle financially or just get by. Being a millionaire is totally achievable when you practice the right habits with consistency and discipline. And I'm not going to talk about waking up early, getting enough sleep, exercising, and etc. Those are common habits that most people know already. Instead, I'll share with you 5 millionaire habits that have made many people millionaires. Just a disclaimer, it will not happen overnight. Instead, it will take lots of effort, commitment, dedication, and hard work to get there so that you can achieve your financial goals. Hi, I'm Amy, and welcome to my channel, where the goal is to help you achieve your financial success. I will share information on how you can earn more, save more, build wealth, and live your best life with gratitude. Please subscribe if you want to be financially blossoming. Habit number 1, setting goals. It is critical to set clear goals. Millionaires do not happen overnight nor by accident. Set your goals that are short-term and long-term. Short-term like daily, weekly, monthly, quarterly, and long-terms like annually, 3 years, 5 years, even 10 years out. Start off with your long-term goal so you have a clear vision. For example, if you want to have a successful online business in 3 years with 5,000 customers, and right now you have 100 customers, so that you can set your long-term goal that 5,000 is your target, then you can break that down into short-term goals to make that happen. Make your goals giant goals. Big goals are a lot more motivating than smaller goals. You want your goals to be massively big so that you'll get lots of inspiration, lots of motivation, lots of courage to go after it. Then you'll take extreme level of action to accomplish them. So for me, I've set my big goal this year, which is to reach 100,000 subscribers on this YouTube channel. This is a massive goal for me because I'm starting from scratch. But I've decided I want to set this goal because it will motivate me to keep producing quality content for my viewers, and it'll really keep pushing me towards making that consistency and that dedication towards putting videos out. So, what are your big goals? Write it in the comment below, because once you put it out there, you're also keeping yourself accountable. Then from your big goal, break them down into smaller goals, such as the short-term ones we talked about, like daily and weekly. For example, my weekly tasks are either to research content ideas, to film, to script, to edit videos. So then you can think about what are your short-term goals from your long-term goals. So essentially, you want to come up with a very detailed plan of what you want to accomplish, when you want to accomplish it, how are you going to accomplish it, and why is it important for you to accomplish it. Push yourself out of your comfort zone. Strive for that big, massive goal. If you keep staying within your comfort zone, you stay status quo. Like the cliche says, go big or go home. So go big and go wild. Habit number 2, focus on your why. The why is super important because it keeps you motivated and focused. So figure out your why. Why is your goal important to you? What keeps you going day after day? Becoming a millionaire is a goal, but you have to go deeper than that to really find out your why. You have to understand why you want to become a millionaire so you can be the successful person that you want to become. Try this simple exercise to really dig out your why by asking, why is it important? and ask yourself 5 levels of why to really get down into that deep, deep subconscious level of why it is important for you. So, for example, why do you want to be a millionaire? I will answer because I want to reach financial freedom. Then I ask, why is it important for me to reach financial freedom? Then I'll answer, this is because I want to have free time to spend time with my loved ones and do the things I enjoy doing. Then you ask, why is it important for you to spend time with your loved ones and do the things you enjoy doing? This is because I want to cherish every moment I have with my family and my loved ones. And I also want to enjoy things I want to do and not live life by other people's expectations. So try this exercise yourself. You get the point. Keep asking yourself why, and you may discover something surprising about your deep down motivation of the reason why you want to become the person you want to be. So what is your why? Write it down in the comment below so you put it out in the world, and then also keep yourself accountable. And when you do experience setbacks or challenges, refer back to your why, because it'll give you clarity on why that you want to continue doing what you need to do. For example, I've encountered quite a few setbacks in the last half a year, and I felt so discouraged and I was quite depressed about it. But then I refer back to my why. So then I tell myself, no, just wipe those tears, stand up, get up again, and just keep going. So your why is very important to keep you motivated and stay on track. Habit number 3, take action. Take massive action to create or produce your products or services, whether it's an ebook, digital courses, physical products, professional services, whatever it may be. Take massive action. Put massive energy to creating them. When you take action, it creates motivation, and you'll start to feel confident in yourself. And that confidence will fuel your motivation to keep going, to keep working hard towards your goal. So the key here is to take action. There is no wealth to be found in an idea, only by acting on an idea. When you make little bits of progress, your motivation will skyrocket, which will fuel you to continue working towards your goal. And even if you don't achieve your big goal, you'll still be happy because you've put so much work and you see progress along the way. So even if I don't achieve my 100,000 subscriber in 1 year, I will still be so happy because I know that I've put my best forward by producing high quality and valuable content to my audience. And 1 year from now, looking back at myself today, I will know that I'm not the same person I used to be. I have learned and grown so much from it. I had conquered my fears and self-doubts, anxiety and uncertainties, and I kept pushing forward. Even now, if I'm just looking back at 3 months ago when I started doing all these research about starting a YouTube channel, I feel like I'm not the same person as I was before. I am so motivated, I'm so inspired, and I'm so happy to just continue moving forward. So, take massive actions towards your giant goal. With progress and feedback, it will really propel you to move forward continually. So, focus on creating, make progress, get feedback, transform yourself, and keep going. You will be really proud of who you are. If you have found this video helpful so far, I would appreciate if you can share, like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. It means a lot to me. Thank you. Habit number 4, developing a growth mindset. Growth and fixed mindset were first introduced by Carol Dweck, a psychology professor at Stanford University. Growth mindset is where you see that your traits are malleable and that you can continue to grow them as you develop them and work on them. Whereas Fixed mindset is you are what you are. You were born with it or without it. There's no way to develop or change. People with a growth mindset experience greater joy, motivation, and comfort. They also take more risks and have more aspirational goals, hence why they're more successful. To have a growth mindset, you would embrace challenges and view failures as fruitful learning experiences. You would see failure as part of the learning process where you can improve upon. By the way, I did a video on millionaire mindset. Check it out up here or in the link below. To have a growth mindset, first reflect on yourself. Take time to acknowledge, reflect, and embrace all your failures. Becoming aware of areas of improvement is your first stepping stone. Sweeping your weaknesses and failures under the rug will only inhibit you to reach your success. So allow for every opportunity, both successes and failures, to be valuable for your personal awareness and growth. Then take on challenges. Shatter the negative perceptions of challenges. As a famous quote once said by Albert Hubbard, the greatest mistake that you can make in life is to be continually fearing you will make a mistake. So take actions towards your goals, even if there are challenges ahead. Go for it. Then have a positive outlook on life and practice gratitude. Positivity goes a long way, not only from what you project onto others, but also how you interpret your own experiences as well. Make a habit of being thankful and grateful for everything in your life and in your business. When you do this in the most magical way, good things start to come to you. Being grateful also puts you in a good state of mind, which is a mindset that all successful people have. So here's how you can practice gratitude. Write down 3 things that you're grateful for every night before going to bed. It could be simple things such as a delicious meal, roof over your head, your family, your significant others, your friends, your career, your business, anything you're grateful for. This will put you in a very appreciative mood before going to bed, and you'll wake up feeling fresh and ready to take on the world. Habit number 5, surround yourself with success and support. Spend time with people who inspires you, motivates you, encourages you, and push you in the right direction towards your goals. Great minds discuss ideas and help each other to be successful. You are the average of 5 people you spend the most time with. So it's important to pick the people who have similar values and goals as you. It will be easier for you to reach your goals when people in your life are also doing similar or same thing. So if your goal is to become a millionaire, you might be thinking, oh, should I go find a millionaire and be friends with them? You can do that, but maybe they won't be friends with you just yet. What you can do is find people with similar values as you, such as hardworking, loyal, determined, focused, passionate, enthusiastic, trustworthy, who wants to achieve their goals by working hard at them. Once you find people like that, be friends with them. Or better yet, if they are successful already, ask them to be your mentor. Learn all you can from them, study what they do, how did they do it, where did they start, all the details. Then stop caring about what other people think of you. Most people spend their entire lives holding back on their dreams because they're afraid of how other people would judge them. Don't let that happen to you. Don't waste time on trying to please other people or to conform to their wishes. Then focus on what matters to you. Think about the big picture, your big goals, your why, the life you want. Don't try to please everyone because it is impossible to do that. Life is short. Do you want to spend your precious moments worrying about what other people think of you? Or do you want to decide who you are, what you want, and how you want to live your life? So, being a self-made millionaire boils down to making small intentional changes to your life. If you change your habits, you change your life. Changes that may seem small and unimportant at first will slowly compound over time and have a big impact in your life. So, what habits will you change today? Write it down in the comments below, and then also don't forget to write out your big, massive goal and your why. And now, if you haven't seen the Millionaire Mindset, check out this video. If you find this video helpful, please share, like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. As always, thank you for watching. I appreciate you. Have a great day and have a financially blossoming life. Thank you. Bye.